Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to fix HDMI not working on laptop Windows 10 and guide you through the steps to solve this issue easily. Step 1. Go to the search bar on your taskbar and type Device Manager, then click on the result to open it. Device Manager is where Windows lists all your hardware devices, and this is important because we need to check the display driver. Step 2. Expand the display adapter section. Right-click on your graphics driver and select Properties. This lets you access detailed information about your driver, which is necessary before making any updates. Step 3. Go to the Driver tab at the top of the Properties window and click Update Driver. This allows you to refresh your graphics driver, which can fix many HDMI connection issues. Step 4. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait while Windows searches for the latest driver updates. This ensures that your laptop has the most compatible driver for your HDMI port. Step 5. Once the update is complete, close the Device Manager window. This finalizes the changes and prepares your system for the next step. Step 6. Go back to the search bar, type Services, and click to open the Services app. Services controls background tasks in Windows, and we need it to check the Windows Update service. Step 7. Scroll down to find Windows Update, right-click on it, and select Properties. This is where you manage how Windows updates are applied, which can affect driver installation. Step 8. Set the startup type to Automatic and click Apply. This ensures that Windows Update runs automatically, keeping your system and drivers up to date. Step 9. Click Start to start the service, then click OK and close the services window. This activates Windows Update so it can check for and install necessary updates that may fix the HDMI issue. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.